Sorry for the people who watched In the Range live stream expecting something from it. It's just not really good. It's not good connection as it's raining outside. Sorry for you guys. I didn't even get to say the outro. Or the intro. Sorry. I'll do a live stream when I get back because, as I said in that video, I'm going to jump giants today after I've been in the range. You know, the jump giants in Grays. I'll be about, I don't know, 40 minutes in here. I did yesterday because I went in there. And I said, for you guys who, 4 people who viewed my video, because one of them, the 5 people who viewed my playing Akinator video. Sorry if you was expecting more from me. But thanks for the support. I mean, wow. I mean, I don't get any comments or anything, I don't think. But yeah. No, not simple. I mean, thanks, and thanks. Just really want to know how to get base camp. If any of you watch this, can you please comment? Please, please, please. Don't comment, please, please, please. But just tell me in the comment section down below how to get a face cam, because I seriously don't know. So yeah, I'm in the range with my mum and dad. People in this video. Sorry, I needed to do the stream. Oh, I mean, I want to, but come on, it's about connection. Sorry, that's why I did it without doing the outro. It was bad connection. Not my nan's thing speaking. Can't wait to go upstairs. Oh, I don't want to go on the stair lift. Not what's it called? Escalator. I don't want to go on the lift. I want to go on the escalator. Can we go upstairs now, please?
No, we ain't got time to go upstairs. I've got to pay for this and get round to your place now.
Okay. I'm probably not going to. I'm not going to show you. Remember what I said? We can't go upstairs. Oh, you got to see what it was like last time. This, unicorn. Oh, I thought it was a toy unicorn, but it's just a pet bed. Sad times. I wish I knew how to edit Vicky Gardens. I want my phone. I don't have a computer. For my birthday or Christmas, I really, 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 really superly want a laptop computer. Dad?
Yeah?
You know a laptop that you can carry around with you?
Yeah.
I want that for my birthday or Christmas, please.
Do you?
Yeah.
A decent laptop?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, many of you guys don't know what that is. Mud. Who wants to win mud? What's it called? If on my blog, if you didn't see, I said the main account that has Robux is called Eviechetahgirl. I'll leave that down in the comment section. I'm a girl, my Twitter account is a boy. It's called JoshIsHereoxox. And my other account is called, what's it called again? Oh, dang it. Dog Red Love 123. If you friend me, because I'll give you a shout out. You can't actually. If you're one of my friends on Roblox, appreciate it, guys. Yeah, I mean, you know, towers, 2000 and 2009 or 2010 or something. Look up him because I know him in real life. Like, I really know him in real life. So, you know what I'm talking about. From school, you know?
I've got that in that area. Thanks, Mark. Well, I was very doubtful, Jim.
Oliver G. Oliver G. If you're watching this, get. Wow. Not much to talk about.
Get me one.
Tuesday.
Yeah, here. Red.
Bear with me. Dad.
I want one then. I want to.
Uses a fluorescent.
Yeah, exactly right.
I do listen to you sometimes, Mum.
Daddy.
Yeah, I know you do.
Dad.
Yes.
Are we going upstairs?
Another good time. We'll go to your thing now.
Okay.
Any other things you've got with different colour loops, Mum?
Once we're outside, I'll just tell you what I'm doing. I'm going to jump giants, so I'll have to end the video off soon.
Then we're off, okay?
Yeah, okay. That's when I'm going to jump giants. That's why I can't go upstairs today, guys.
We can't go upstairs today, no.
I will do a stream. I will do a live stream when I get back from Jump Giants, telling you what I did. And if you meet me at Jump
That's
Giants,
Alright, we'll come round the right way.
Jump Giants, and I'll make friends with you, you will be on my stream. Hopefully.
It's a bit heavy.
Yeah, you're alright, I've got it.
Oh, really?
We're going to get a couple of bits of bubble wrap.
What?
No, we've got a bag, but if you've got...
Are we allowed to?
You want some wrap for me?
Yeah, that bubble wrap.
Okay. Where's bubble wrap? What's that? Yeah, can I have some bubble wrap, please?
Yeah, of course.
Thanks.
Yeah, he's got some.
Oh, lovely. Thank you,
Thanks,
darling.
Good boy, Eddie. Hold on.
Okay. Bubble wrap.
Thank you.
Might be too busy, but you might do.
Thank you, darling. I'm going to
Just
half
playing.
it so I can wrap that for you as well, okay?
Alright,
Look at
thank
that,
you.
look at that.
Oh, there is a
That's all
thing.
right. Thanks very much.
Lol. I have my friend Rebecca. Watch my YouTube channel. It's called Eviechetahgirl. Well, you would know that by now. Sorry if it's too long. If you want to just skip to like 9 minutes. Yeah, skip to 9 minutes.
We have got Butterfingers 9 times out of 10 here.
Because that's when I'll be out of the shop.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Breakages there, don't they? You do.
They do happen, yeah. It's common. It's one of those things. You can't stop it from happening.
There's still 59 seconds. Sorry for the 9 minutes. Otherwise, if it's past that, just skip to like 10 minutes. 58. I'm just talking to you guys already.
Okay, yeah, you've got it started.
Thanks for the 5 views again. Thanks for the 10 to holy, that's my record. I hope you liked the card I made you for YouTube. That's my previous video if you don't want to see already. I really want to put a subscribe button. Like, how do you put a subscribe button there? Please tell me, guys. You're not that long left until I have to do my outro. Skip to 10 minutes. Skip to to skip anyway because I'm just going. Oh, that's the scooter I went on last time. It's called a suitcase scooter. I just made that up. Are you moving?
That's
We're
alright.
still here, Mum.
Mark,
Okay.
no, that's alright, honestly, Mark.
You sure?
I
Okay.
want a new mat, yeah.
Or we're
I
going now.
wouldn't have said to get it, would I?
No.
Anyway,
That's what we
YouTube, thanks for watching. If you did, sorry about the stream. Whoa, look at that, awesome. Fake awesome. Okay, outro time. Hope you enjoyed this video. Press the please like, subscribe, and press the notification bell so you always know when I post a video and you always see all of my videos. And leave a nice comment, so I will give you a shout out. And even if you leave a bad comment, I will give you a bad shout out. See you in the live stream in like 2 hours or something. And see you guys soon. Bye, hope you enjoyed. Bye.